transference of wealth in history is happening right now as tens of millions of dollars are being poured into Bitcoins worldwide every day. And right now, it's become easier than ever to grow your wealth with Bitcoins. The question is, will you be part of this new wealth? Since 2009, Bitcoin has grown in value faster than any currency on the planet, and people have made millions. If you invested just $1,000 in Bitcoin in July 2010, you'd have passively made $33,750,000 in less than 7 years. One Bitcoin went from being worth $1 in 2011 to about $2,700 in 2017, but it's really just the beginning. As millions of new people start using Bitcoins and more companies start accepting Bitcoin to purchase their products and services, along with the fact that there's a limited supply of Bitcoins available while the demand grows daily, its value will continue to grow. In fact, experts predict by the end of 2018, Bitcoin could be worth over $6,000 US, and many say it can realistically reach as high as $1 million or more per Bitcoin in the next 10 years. Bitcoins completely revolutionized money, just like the internet revolutionized the world. Bitcoins is the world's first decentralized digital currency that's not controlled by any government or central bank. Bitcoins are digital coins you can send directly to any person or organization in the world via the internet instantly at any time using your mobile phone or computer, completely bypassing the banks, credit card companies, PayPal, or any third-party service. Sending Bitcoins is as simple and fast as sending an email with very low transaction fees. Bitcoin is convenient to use, very fast and secure. It's global, anonymous, and open to constant innovations. And it's impossible to counterfeit or inflate, unlike the US dollar or any other paper money that is being printed without any limits, and its purchasing power dwindles. And with Bitcoins, you can pay your bills and buy cars, houses, vacations, furniture, and just about anything you want. Having Bitcoins is like having an entire bank in your pocket with multiple accounts. And it now connects over 6 billion people who don't have access to a bank account to the global economy. It's not difficult to see why so many of the world's wealthiest entrepreneurs and investors like Bill Gates and Richard Branson are investing into Bitcoins. But how do you get started growing your wealth with Bitcoins? Most people don't realize that you don't need millions or even thousands of dollars to do it. That's why we've created Bitcoin's Wealth Club system. Designed with a brand new person in mind, it's the world's first easy-to-follow step-by-step system that will teach you everything from what is Bitcoin and how do you start using it today, how to earn multiple streams of passive income in Bitcoins daily by partnering with the best businesses who have expert teams, experience, and software which will trade cryptocurrencies for you while you enjoy the great returns, how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably. Bitcoin has gained 270,000% ROI since 2011, and Ethereum gained 36,000% ROI since 2016. There are close to 1,000 cryptocurrencies on the market today, and some of them can grow in value as fast as Bitcoin and make you rich. How to passively multiply your Bitcoins by a minimum of 400% a year without doing any work, without referring anyone or even being a trader yourself. Gives you access to top Bitcoin training and resources and much more. And the best part, it's 100% free for you to join our club. And by leveraging the system and sharing Bitcoin's Wealth Club with others, you can grow your wealth even faster. Imagine earning just 1 Bitcoin in passive income every day. That's about $80,000 a month. Would that help you become financially free? Travel the world, spend more time with your family and friends, and live the lifestyle of your dreams? Just click on the button below. Put in your best email address and register your 100% free account to get instant access to Bitcoin's Wealth Club system now. Welcome aboard to Bitcoin's Wealth Club, helping people become Bitcoin millionaires.